Oh, I think we just brought it back then.
No pasa nada, güey. No pasa nada. Pero las cuídate siempre, güey. Échale un perro, güey. Buen perro. No pasa nada, güey. Ahí te mando muchos. Ráscale la panza ahí, le.
Rodas e vou pular nessa porra.
Joey, volta.
Ládrale a tu perro a ver cómo reacciona.
Do you want me to do it? Okay. Okay.
Good day, friend. Pass me the beer. There you go, friend. I still need one more beer. No. No more beers. Oh? I am a dog. You can't arrest me. Go on.
We have been having therapy sessions, and I don't know if they're working because George is having a breakdown right now. It's okay. I love you, okay? I know you miss your mommy. I think that's what it is, because he had a mommy for 5 years and she got sick, and oh, okay. And yeah, it's okay, George. It's okay to be sad. You don't have to be angry, okay? Because I'm gonna whoop your ass. Go home, come on, we gonna fight today. I got time today. I got time today. You slapped me last night too. I didn't appreciate that. Get off me. Get off me. You bite me if you want to. Get off of me. If you don't want me on you, then don't get on me. Don't touch me. I don't touch you. Shoot. I'm trying to love you. You get everything you want here. You got organic milk, a bag of cat food, not from the dollar store. Don't try to love me now. Curtis, you were supposed to love me. And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best kitty I've ever known. There's no way I could ever go. George, there's no way. No, 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 no way I'm living without you.
¿Qué pasa?
Мне уже этот мир абсолютно понятен. Я здесь ищу только одного — покоя, умиротворения и вот этой гармонии от слияния с бесконечным вечным.
Это массаж.
I can't feel any ribs. I think we might have to put her on a DIET diet.
Beatrice, I'll leave the door open so you can escape.